Glam'S. Today I'll tell you about all Minecraft toys which I have. So let's get started. The first new Minecraft toy. This is the new Minecraft Dungeon packs which comes from Minecraft Dungeon. And they see the hat. It comes off. And it's like most like X or Vindicator, Pillager, like that. But the most important thing is that he has a shield and a weapon. He's a soldier, kind of. So let's get in the next Minecraft toy. And also it has blue eyes, but it's still evil. I don't know how it can be. So let me put this here. And next, this is a piglet. This is from the normal Minecraft series and packs. So look, it's so loose that it can do anything. Take a look how his eyes are. So this doesn't have that much to describe. So now we got the big bodies. Look, this is the redstone golem, which is come from the same Minecraft series dungeon packs where that came from. And that soldier. So this is restaurant golem. He can also he is the one of the Minecraft so strongest boss. Also and the dragon. But I don't have an under. So let's get in the next one. This is the wither. It came from the normal Minecraft pack series. So look, it has 3 heads. That's how the 6 bones. It's like a wither skeleton, but it's not. And it has 2 more heads, which are the big normal heads friend. So let's get that. This is Alex. This came from Minecraft normal series too. And it also comes with the wither, which I told you right now. This came together. And also it came from Minecraft normal series. And that's all for this. And now this is the chief. He came, I don't remember what's this guy's name, but he's from Minecraft Dungeon new packs like that one. So now we're going on to the pillager. The pillager came from normal Minecraft series, like it came from Steve and other stuff, and it came with a different character. So now this is a ravager. This came from Minecraft Dungeon normal series. No, Minecraft Dungeon series. Series packs. And these two came together. And next, this is just from. This is one big sand. Inside this is sand. This is the treasure box, and so I'm gonna put you can play with the sand inside. It came with my dad brought it. So this is the it's the normal Minecraft Dungeon packs. It came from the series of normal Minecraft. It's a golem. He is the world's strongest one. He can't also fall from so height, but a ravager can dive so fast. This came with one more guy. So this is Steve. He's wearing armor. This guy came with this and golem. So it doesn't have it came from normal Minecraft and series packs. So put it back. So this is a strider. It came from Minecraft normal pack series. So this is also like Steve, but it didn't come with it. And this is normal Steve. He is also like this guy. They're both are same guys. He has blue eyes, he has blue eyes. Same. So now the last one. There's a sword which came with this guy. There was a diamond sword which I agreed is gone. But I found Alex's hat. Here, Alex's hat looks like this. Take a look closely, guys. So I'm gonna put them. The last Minecraft toy is this. This is the enchanter. It came from Minecraft Dungeon New Pack series, and this he can enchant stuff. He's a bad guy, and he's like a pillager and different pillager kind of stuff. He has a book like this. This is his book. He puts in his hand like this. I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. So it's like this. So he has a cap which can come off properly. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for my videos, because I work so hard for making these videos. So thank you for watching. See you later and bye.